I feel like absolute crap right now, but let's make some muffins together. So it first says preheat the oven to 400. Oh, can you see that? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna be making both of them because I bought this pan. I'm gonna clean it as well, but I'm gonna try to make as much as I can. I wanted little ones, but they didn't have a little pan. All they had was this big pan at the Dollar General. So I was like, I went for it because I was like, I ain't turning back around. I don't feel good. So I was like, yeah, let me get it out. Okay. So I'm gonna get this bowl and my measuring cup. I'll try to like show it the best I can. Probably should, but that's the perfect spot. I'm just gonna leave y'all there. Can you see that? A little powder right there. Okay, first one. Sure. If I have, I don't know. I should probably just make this bacon with Courtney and make some other stuff. Probably gonna do that. Trying to clean up my mess. It's a little questionable. I don't know. I might do it. Okay. Now it said a half a cup. I don't know why I threw that away. Do y'all do that? Do y'all throw your things away? Hopefully y'all can hear me. Like, I don't have the energy to talk loud is what I'm trying to tell y'all. So you can add water or milk. This says you'll need 1.5 cup of water or milk. So I'm gonna fill this up with right there. It's halfway, or it's over a little bit. Some more. Like I should stir that. Take my little Easter spoon. I'm gonna try to stir it. See if it needs some more. I think it will need some more. Yeah, it does need some more. I don't know how to show you that I'm stirring it. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna come back when I get done stirring it. I don't know if it's done or not. So I just washed my pan. Even though I buy them, even if I like where I bought today, I still wash it because I just have a germophobia. I'm a little germophobia, well, a lot, but that's besides the point. Then, do y'all lick your batter? Okay, I'm gonna oil this. Well, I'm gonna show you. Well, yeah. Since I only use this with water, it's still clean, so I'm just gonna stick it back over here. This is the one cabinet that's got all this stuff in it, and I'm not cleaning this cabinet. I was gonna make Jello, but all of my 3 bowls that I bought has already, one's got salad in it, the other one's got pudding, and then the other one's got strawberries and pineapples. So I was gonna make this probably a bacon with me, but this will have to have a bowl. And unless I eat a little bit, I may make this, but I will have to be reusing the same pan. So this is a maybe, but, and it's corn flour. I don't know, I always like this stuff. It's like sweet. It tastes so good. Okay, this is what I'm using. You can use whatever you want to, whatever oil. You can use spray oil. Hold on, I know this is weird, but I'm gonna go get toilet paper, and so I'm able to wipe it so it's not all oily. Did y'all see me sniffing my thing? Don't come at me. So just get some like oil and then just like rub it. Actually, I'm getting a better plan. I'm gonna do a tiny drop in each of them. Okay, I think that was a lot. Way too much wool. And then I'm just like, the one that's got extra oil in it, I'm taking it and keep pulling it all around because everyone deserves to be oily. Okay, so I just oiled my pan. I don't even know why I did so much because there's literally only this much batter. So now I'm just gonna put them in the pan. I'm only gonna do like I'm gonna try to do this much for everyone. Don't hold me accountable. So I put some extra on the ones that look little. So now we're gonna put the oven, and it says to 17 to 22 minutes. So we're gonna do 22 minutes. Did that. Okay, so I'm gonna lick the bowl. Well, we're gonna wait 17 minutes. And I'm pausing this because I'm sweating and I need to take this off, and I don't have a shirt underneath it. I think they're done. 4 minutes on the clock, and I think they're done. We're going to try it. fork or a knife and stab them, and like, this is how they turned out. Now you let them sit. I don't want to lick this because I'm gonna. So I'm gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna come back and we'll try them. And if I'm feeling a little bit better after, I'll make this. If not, then I'll probably just go lay down. Okay, right. So I got this pan, and I'm going to try to put them in there, but I need to wash it because it is a little dirty. So this is what I'm gonna be putting the muffins in. So I'm gonna wash it and then put them in there. And sadly, I'm not pausing it. So you're just gonna have to like see me disappear for a second and come back. There's like a bug, like a fly trying to leave on me. Okay, here's the bow. I'm gonna. I ain't done that, and I literally just got out of the shower. Does flies attack, or do they like? Do they like the smell, like fruity stuff? That's what I took a bath and was fruity. Okay, I'm just gonna wash the boat for now, and off camera I'll probably wash the lid. So you don't have to watch me do that. So I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna sit for a little bit. So I already got one out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't know if I'll have enough to make cornbread, but 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I'm eating probably, so this is 12, so it made 12. I need to clean these dishes. But, I didn't notice I was recording, but I think that's really good. We'll have another one, but I'm gonna end it here, and I need to wash dishes, so I'm gonna have to do that. And I'm gonna end it here so I can wash the lid to that. And then I'm probably gonna go relax and then edit this video and upload it and then probably come back in here and do dishes. I don't know if I am. But bye, love you guys.